Hello everybody! Welcome to lesson 3.4. We have been looking at different methods to solve linear systems of equations, and today we're going to do a super quick lesson on how to choose the best method. So your learning goal obviously is to choose the best method to solve a certain linear system of equations. So let's take a reminder of what our three strategies are. The first strategy was to graph both of them. The second strategy was to eliminate, and that's when we stacked the two equations on top of each other, and then we added or subtracted them to get rid of one of the variables. And the third way was substitution, and this was the blob method. Remember, we solved for one of the variables, made that equation, and put that equation into the other one. So the idea here is you can use any of these methods for any system of equation, but sometimes one of the methods is easier to use than the other two, depending on how the equations are set up. So I'm going to show you three systems of equations. What I want you to do is I'd like you to take a look at them, decide which method would be the best, and by best we mean easiest, so the less work we have to do, the better, right? So take a look at these systems and decide which of your three methods would be the best for system A, system B, and system C. And so remember, our choices are graphing, elimination, and substitution. So pause the video here, take a look at these equations and decide in your head or write it down, and then I will show you how to choose the best method. Okay, welcome back. So I hope you paused the video, you chose your methods. I'm not going to tell you the answers specifically for these three systems because that's going to be your practice work for today. But what I do want to do is help you decide with these points here. So when should we use which method? Well, graphing, it's easiest to graph something if the equations are already in the y equals mx plus b form. And if they're both in that form, that's pretty easy to graph by hand. To use substitution, the easiest time to do that is when you have one equation is in y equals mx plus b, but the other one is not. So that way, if it's one equation's in y equals mx plus b, that way you can substitute that equation into the other one to solve for x. I like to use elimination when neither are in y equals mx plus b. So if you go back to these systems, you can figure out probably which one you should do for which system. So keep those in mind. What I would like you to do for the U-Try for your practice is for each system, try to solve each of the systems using all three methods. And then I want you to do, then I want you to decide which method was the easiest for each of those three systems. And I want you to explain why. That you're going to complete quiz 3.4 on Brightspace. So I'm going to show you where that is. So if you go to Brightspace, you're going to go to quizzes. This is the 2D page, but it's still going to be the same on 2P. And under quizzes, I haven't made it yet, but it will be here and it will say 3.4 quiz. Okay. And I also want to show you, there is a handout that I'm going to post on Brightspace for you to have a nice setup for these three systems. I'm going to show it to you here. it's going to look like this. So this is system A, and then it has a spot for you to do the graphing, a spot for the substitution, and then a spot for the elimination. And at the bottom, it can give you a justification, a spot to say, did you think this was the easiest or not? Okay. If you want to do your graph using Desmos, you can. That's fine. We've practiced graphing a lot, but you might find some of these are really hard to do graphing. That's not easily set up to graph, but one of them will be easy to, so you should be able to do that one by hand. So I'm going to put that up on Brightspace. I'm going to go back here. So remember, your practice work is to, for each of those three systems, try to solve them using all three methods and decide which method is easiest and be able to explain, because that's going to be your quiz. There's going to be 3 questions. I'm going to post the system. It's going to ask which way is the easiest to use for that system, and then you're going to tell me why. Okay, that's it for today. So I will put my solutions up for the practice work on Brightspace as well. And once you're comfortable with that, you could go ahead and go into Brightspace to do the 3.4 quiz. Okay, that's it for today. So we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.